Okay, so I'm just gonna go through the exercise on page 186 here. So I have my industry file open. Now I'm just gonna do what it says. Alright, so step number 2, select A3 to H7. Create a line chart. So I'm going to go to Insert, Line, I'm going to click the arrow. And it says, use a chart format that show markers on each data point. So I'm going to click Line with Markers. Boom. And it also says, select a chart style that assigns a different color to each of the lines on the chart. Select a style that keeps the plot area white or light gray. So it's already done that for me, so I don't have to do anything. Next one, move the line chart to a separate chart sheet. The tab name for this chart sheet should be Industry Sales by Company. Okay, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to click Move Chart. I want it in a new sheet. I'm going to call it Industry Sales by Company. Okay. Boom. Move the legend to the bottom of the chart. Okay. I click that. Format legend. And I want it on the bottom. I'm going to click Close. Add the title Industry X Sales Analyst to the chart. The title should appear above the chart. Okay, so to do this, how do I do this? Okay, so what I have to do, I have to go in my chart tools, I have to go to Layout, Chart Title, and then above Chart. And just gonna get in there. Now the title is Industry X Sales Analysis. Okay, the next step is to add a title, change in sales to the y-axis, use the vertical title option. Okay. So again, go back to layout, axis title, and what's a horizontal? No, vertical. I call this change in sales. It just says what company shown a sales growth trend for the year 2000-2006 that is most similar to overall average of industry. Alright, where's my legend? My average is the one with the X's, this line. The one that looks pretty similar, what I would have to say is this red line. It looks pretty on the nose. So company B. Okay, step 9. Activate the worksheet named Competitors. Competitors. Highlight range A2 to B6 and create a pie chart. So I'm going to insert, click on the pie, and I believe it says use a chart format that will show each section of the chart separated from the center and have a three-dimensional appearance. The purpose of this chart is to show the total net sales for all the companies in Industry X. So I'll use the exploded pie in 3D. Flip over the book. Okay, select a chart style that assigns a different color with each section of the pie. It's already done. Select a style that keeps the plot area white or light gray. That's already white. Change the title of the chart to LY market share. So I'm just gonna select all. Okay, it wants me to remove the legend, so I'm going to right click and format legend. No, that's not what I want. Okay, to remove the legend, I'm going to go to my chart tools, go layout, legend, and none. That's easy. Step 14. Add data labels outside each section in the chart. The data labels should show both the company category name and the value. As a result, the chart should show the company name as well as the total net sales. Okay, so add data labels. So to add data labels, here we go. I'm going to click the arrow. Show both category Okay, so I want data labels outside there, but I also have to add the company name. Okay, so to get the company name on each of the labels, I'm going to right click on one of the labels on one of the data points, and I'm going to go to format data labels. I'm going to select category name and values checked. That's good. And then I'm going to close. Now you can see you have company name as well as their market share in billions. What's the next step? Question 15. Which company has the highest market share? Okay, obviously you don't have to look at the numbers, you can just look at the pie, and the red slice is the biggest, and red slice is company B. Now the next question, does the company with the highest market share also have the highest sales growth rate relative to the industry average? Okay, so remember it's company B, and we're going to go back to our line graph we made. Look at company B, and you know what? It doesn't have the highest change in sales. Company A has the largest influx of sales over the years. So the answer is no. Does the company with the highest market share also have the highest sales growth rate relative to the industry average? No. Question 17. Which company A, B, or C has the lowest market share? So let's go back to our thing, our pie graph, and the lowest market share is company A, $5.8 billion. Question 18. Reports in this industry claim company A is stealing market share away from company C. Does this claim make sense when looking at the line chart you created? Okay, let's go back to the line chart. So company A is stealing from company C. So I go down my legend. Company C is the one with the green triangles, and company A is the blue diamonds, I guess. And you notice how they're basically a reflection of one another. So the company A looks like this, and then company C is basically a reflection. So yeah, you can say that they are stealing the sales from company C. Alright, so we're just gonna save and close this now. So save, and I'm done.